Welcome back to my channel again. In this video we are going to study about significance of photosynthesis. Okay. So we have already studied about the photosynthesis and the phases of photosynthesis in the previous class, and the link for the video is given in the description. Please go and watch. Okay. So firstly, all living organisms need food. So animals, including humans, obtain food from plants, since plants are autotrophs. So all the organisms depend on plants for energy. So why do we need to depend on plants? Because plants prepare their own food. Autotrophs meaning the organism they prepare their own food is called autotrophs, and the organism who cannot prepare their own food but they depends on other organism is called heterotrophs. Example, animals are heterotrophs and plants and algae are autotrophs. Some of the significance of uh, photosynthesis. So first significance of photosynthesis is photosynthesis converts inorganic raw materials into food that provides our ecosystem with energy. So photosynthesis use inorganic raw materials like carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is used by photosynthesis, and this carbon dioxide is converted into glucose, also converts the water into oxygen. So this oxygen is released into the atmosphere, and which is very important for the all the living organism. So next we have is green plants provide organic food for all the animals and humans. So the plants converts the inorganic raw materials into organic. Example, carbon dioxide and water is converted into organic food like glucose and oxygen. So which is important for all the animals and humans. So next is uh, photosynthesis helps in providing oxygen in the atmosphere required by all living organisms. So we have studied about the uh, light reactions and dark reactions in the previous class. So during the light reactions, in the presence of sunlight, the water is split into hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen is formed from water, and this oxygen is released into the atmosphere, which is important for all the living organism. Okay. So next we have is the fossil fuels like coal, petroleum and natural gas are formed from the degradations of the plant and animal parts, which were originally formed by photosynthesis. Okay. So next we have is the plant products like timber, rubber, herbs, medicines, resins, oils, etc. are due to photosynthesis. Okay. So last point we have is the photosynthesis decreases the concentration of carbon dioxide, helping improve air quality. Okay. So the plants absorbed carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and thereby decrease the concentration of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Okay. The plants act as powerful carbon sinks because they absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during photosynthesis and store it in their tissues. Okay? So this long-term storage of carbon known as sequestrations reduces the concentration of greenhouse gases that contribute to global warming. Okay? So plants absorbs the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and they store the carbon dioxide in their tissues. So this long-term storage of carbon dioxide in the plant's tissue is called carbon sequestrations. So which results in the reductions of the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, thereby contribute to global warming. So through large-scale carbon sequestrations, forests, grasslands, and oceans play a vital role in mitigating climate change. By capturing the atmospheric carbon dioxide, photosynthesis helps slow the rise in global temperature, so reduce climate related impacts and support some more stable and sustainable environment for all living organisms. Okay. So consider email and thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel for more videos, and see you in the next video. Thank you.